Right, here's something I've never seen before. So I was putting this Marlin back together. Hasn't been used for a long time. Apparently a family heirloom, and a guy wants to use it on a New Year's Eve gig because he's got family coming, and it's got this locking tremolo. I couldn't get it to lock down, so I took it out, and there's massive chunks of metal missing. So it's basically just collapsed. So yeah, weird one. So we're going for a licensed Floyd Rose instead. I'm going to just completely ditch that, put that in there, get that working a bit Eddie Van Halen style. So it might sit a bit high, so I might have to raise the neck. Should be fun. There we go, all done. Floyd Rose installed. Only thing I had to do is I had to add a shim under the neck, because the Floyd Rose is a fair bit higher than the original tremolo, so I had to lift the neck up to allow for to get the string spacing right, string height, action, you know. On Marlin, brought back from the grave, ready for a gig on New Year's Eve.